First we will go for this temporary settings. So we should know and understand what is the drawback of this temporary settings. After that we should go for this permanent settings. Yes, so first we will go for this temporary settings. Yes, temporary setting. Come on. So when it comes to this temporary settings, so which settings are comes under the temporary settings? What is the syntax we should follow in order to go for these temporary settings? So all these points we will discuss this. No comment. So if you want to go for these temporary settings, so definitely. So what are the variables we have to create in? What are the variables we have to create? What are the variables, please? What are the environment variables in the Java language, guys?
Class path and path.
Yes, one is class path and another one is path or not. Yes, as of now, class path is not required. Okay, so anyhow, we should go for this temporary setting. For one day, anyhow, the certain drawbacks available in this temporary settings. Yes, that's why we will go for permanently settings. Once permanently settings are completed, no need to do all these things, guys. So daily we can able to access your compiler and JVM software wherever you want to access. Yes, that's why first we will discuss about so path variable creation, guys. Okay. Yes, so what are the variable values are there? So these values we can able to storing into this path variable so that that value can be storing into this particular variable. Yes. So when comes to this syntax, what is the syntax we should follow? So here we should follow syntax like this. Set is a one a command is available here. Using this command we can create a one variable case. Okay. Yes, within the operating system level, if you want to create a one environment variable means, so we can use the set command case. It is up so computer level keyboard. Okay. A set is a command. Using this command we can create a variable. What type of variable I want to create? A path variable. That's why I am using path case. Set path. After that we have to provide value, so that's why equal to, after that we have to provide the value, guys. So what type of value we have to provide within this here means, so what are the Java software installation directory is there, so up to this bin folder we have to provide this as a value of this path variable, guys. Got it right? Yes, so this is the value. This is the path where we have to place. So C program files Java, so JDK, so 1.8 after that bin. So this is the path we have to provide this. Whenever we are providing like this, now so we are created one environment variables within this particular operating system. Got it right? Things are
Yes.
getting clear or not clear?
The clear.
Yes. So that means what is the syntax here? So syntax is nothing but a set a path equal to, what is the value here we have to provide, guys? So Java software installation directory or not?
Yes.
Directory path. That value we have to provide. Now come on, guys. What are the variables we are created from the command prompt? So those variables are comes under the temporary settings variables, guys. Okay. Yes. So here now Am I able to access my compiler software here? Come on guys. No, right? I'm not able to access my compiler software here or not. But I know I am creating a one environment variable. So if I want to create means, so what is the command here? Set path equal to. So after that we can provide our bin folder up to software installation directory or not. Now I am providing like this. Now I am trying to access my compiler software. Now tell me, am I able to access or not? Am I able to access now? Able to access or not able to access? Now I able to access, right? Definitely I can able to access or not guys. No doubt I can able to access. If I am typing Java C here, able to access or not? Yes, we can happily access, right? So that means once we are updating this compiler, sorry, once we are updating this path, so now I can able to access my compiler software here or not guys. Once we created this path variable in the command prompt, and we can access or not? Yes, now we can access, there is no doubt. Got it right?
Yes.
Things are getting clear or not clear guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes. Now I am going for C drive. I am going for DE drive also. Now I am accessing Java C. Now tell me, am I able to access my compiler software?
Definitely access.
Access, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no doubt. I can able to access, right? Yes, there is no doubt. We can happily access. Executing. I am exiting from here. Now I am opening command prompt here. Yes. Now I can able to access my compiler software or not is.
You can happily access.
Hmm? Come on guys. So that means it is an issue or not?
Yes, sir.
It is an issue only. Previously I am able to access. Now I am not able to access. So that means what is the problem with this temporary settings? What exactly happened? So that means when which settings are comes under the temporary settings? So we are updating some particular variables from the command prompt means such type of settings are comes under the temporary settings. Updating variables from the command prompt, then type of settings comes under temporary. Now come on guys, when it comes to this temporary settings, what is the drawback of this temporary settings? What is the limitations of this temporary settings means? So what are the settings we are done as part of this command prompt guys? So what are the settings, what are the variables we are created at command prompt level? So that variables only visible for that command prompt itself only. By mistake I am closing this command prompt means all the variables which are created as part of this command prompt all are vanished guys. So if I am opening the new command prompt means whatever the old command prompt settings are there, those settings are vanished, those settings are not visible, we lose those settings. Then definitely we have to create the variable again here or not guys. Set path equal to, if again I am creating like this means now only I can able to access my compiler software here or not guys.
Yes, sir.
Got it right? Now if I am closing the command prompt here, Now again I am opening the command prompt. Now tell me, am I able to access my compiler software or not?
No, sir, it's not able to access.
Yes, definitely again we are getting an issue, right?
Yes.
So that means daily we are going to office and we are opening the command prompt and we are setting this, we are doing the settings, then only I can able to access my compiler software. Means it is a issue or not, guys? It is
Yes,
issue,
sir,
right?
definitely it is issue.
Yes. So that means, so what is the drawback of this temporary settings? What is the drawback of this temporary settings? What is the drawback, guys? Yes. The variables are created in the command prompt. Those are visible up to the command prompt. Once we close that command prompt, all variables got vanished or not? Vanished or lost. In that case, if I am opening the new command prompt, I am able to access my previous settings.
No, sir, we
All
get an
settings
error.
gone vanished. All settings done as part of that command prompt. We lost. So that means for every time we have to do the settings or not, guys? So definitely we have to do the settings every time, right? So it is an issue or not? Definitely it is an issue or not, guys?
Yes, sir,
No
definitely
doubt
an
it
issue.
is an issue. So for that purpose, we should go for this permanently settings, guys. Got it, right? Yes. So what is the drawback of this temporary settings? So what are the variables we are creating from the command prompt? Those variables are visible only for that command prompt only. So once we are closing that command prompt, so those variables are not visible, guys. So those variables got vanished. So again we have to create a variable. So anyhow, once we are left from the office, so definitely we are set down your system, right? So again we have to open the command prompt and daily we are setting this thing, and then only I can able to access compiler software. Means it is not a good approach. So that's why we should go for the second method called permanently settings. Now come on, guys. So permanent. So what is this permanently settings, sir? How we have to do this permanently settings? So all these things we have to do this. Yes. So when comes to this permanently settings, so whenever we are doing this permanently settings, so just we have to go for, so your this PC, guys. Okay. After this PC, just right click on it. So here we should go for this properties, guys. Yes. So after this properties, so here if you see advanced system settings are available or not. Here we have advanced system settings, right? Yes. I click on this advanced system settings. Yes, once we are clicking on this advanced system settings, if you observe, environment variables are available or not here? Environment variables are available, right? Yes, we have to create these environment variables or not, guys? Yes, so that's why we should choose this environment variables option. Yes, here, so here and under this path, so just we have to use this path variable, guys. Okay, here we have a two types of we have to create a variable and variable value. So what type of variables we have to create? that variable name we have to provide here. What type of value we want to storing into that particular variable, that value you have to provide here, guys. If suppose so this path variable is not available in your mission means we should choose the new option, guys. New, edit, these are the two options are available. If I am opening the new option here, it is asking variable name and variable value or not. It is asking variable name and variable value, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the variable name we have to provide? What is the variable value we have to provide here means when comes to this variable name, guys. Yes. When comes to this variable name, so path is the variable name, guys. Okay, path variable we have to create. When comes to this variable path, variable value. When comes to this variable value, within the path, what I am storing here, we have to store this Java installation for directory path or not, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
so that value we have to provide here, guys. So program files Java JDK 1.8 bin. So this is the location we have to provide. So this is the value. So this is the value, that is the variable name we have to create at the operating system level. Whenever we are creating here, so then we can click on this, okay, guys. Okay, but this path variable already available in my machine or not? Yes, that's why just I want to update, I want to edit this here. Am I in this variable, am I having this Java software installation directory? No, right? So that's why we should store this value here, guys. Whenever I am storing here, just place here and click on this OK, and again we have to click on this OK, guys. Now my variable created in the operating system level or not? Now I created here, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now I am closing this command prompt. Now I am opening the command prompt in the E drive, guys. Yes. Now I am opening the command prompt. Now tell me, am I able to access my Java compiler now? Come on, guys. Am I able to access my compiler software or not?
Not able
Yes,
to.
access it. Yes. Suppose here, so within this is a E drive. So what is the folder available? Yes, workspace is available. So this folder I am going CD workspace. This folder onwards I want to access. From this folder I want to access Java. Now tell me, am I able to access or not? Also I am able to access it. So
Yes.
wherever you want to access, we can happily access or not. Yes, so suppose here I am accessing Java, yes, we can happily to access. Suppose F drive is there. From the F drive I want to access, yes, we can happily access. Yes, so now I am closing this command prompt. Again I am opening the command prompt here. Even though I am opening the command prompt number of times, so now I can able to access or not. So this is nothing but a permanently settings. If I am done this permanently settings, then only this compiler and JVM software able to access throughout your operating system. So this is the whole process of downloading and installing and integrating the software to the operating system level. So this is the whole process of Java software installation process, guys. Things are getting clear or not clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes. So if I'm done all these things, then only you can able to access your Java software wherever you want to access, guys. So once this Java software, so if you are able to access this compiler and JVM software throughout your operating system, even though I am setting this system, guys, again I am restarting my system, still I can able to access my compiler software. No need to do all these settings. So that's why these settings are comes under the permanently settings. So this is the whole process of so create the software installation process, guys. Okay, once this Java software available throughout your operating system, wherever you want to access, we can able to access, then we can happily and start development of your Java programs. Got it right? I hope
Yes.
to this all the points are very clear here, guys.